Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, we are going to be learning how to delete Hamster Kombat account. To delete your Hamster Kombat account, first of all open the Telegram messaging app and make sure that you are connected to your Hamster Kombat bot. Once you are connected inside the Hamster Kombat bot, the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and find the gear button at the top right and tap on it. This will open up the settings menu from where you will need to tap on delete account. Remember that if you continue to delete your Hamster Kombat account, all of your data, including your game progress, achievements, and purchases will be permanently deleted and the action cannot be undone. If you're sure you want to delete your account, click on delete account and confirm by clicking on delete account once again. Soon after you do that, you will then be able to delete your Hamster Kombat account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video.